sorry, I'm swearing.
Get on, you got it on the camcorder.
Oh yeah, I'm swearing.
That is unbelievable.
How did that
Have you seen
happen?
it smoke?
Did you hear it?
No.
I heard a...
Look, all the fuel coming down off it, babe. That's going to explode big time.
Someone called the fucking...
Right, quick, go and phone them.
You phone them? Fucking hell. Oh, they're here, the police are here, they're here. Police are down the road.
Are they coming round?
The police are there, watching it. The police can't do nothing, can they? Yeah, exactly.
That's going to explode big time, innit?
Oh my god,
Are we going to
duck?
be affected?
I don't know, should we duck?
Fucking hell, what was that? Are we what's going to happen?
I don't know, get your head out.
Let me see.
Oh my god, get your head out. I'll watch it through the camera. Come on. Oh, we get some micro on, we're living here, don't we? Is the bloke alright though? Is the bloke alright though? The bloke's out, isn't he?
We're going to watch it get hit.
Can you see it?
Yeah. I'm frightened in case we get hit by something babe up here. Like we'll go right over here.
It's fine. I've only got 11 minutes recording left.
Oh, you're joking?
Yeah, it's enough.
You see, yeah.
Yeah, well spotted. What's in it? What's it say? Installation of subsurface vehicle detection, traffic signal systems. Were they messing with the traffic lights? Were they doing a job? They were doing a job.
How's that caught on fire, dude?
I want to get a photo, but I want it all on video.
Would that come up and hit us?
Well, I'm going to put the window down if it explodes and duck. Just duck. Oh, I think we'll be alright. It's going to burn itself out. It has exploded, isn't it? It has exploded.
It's flames on that bad boy.
I don't really know much about explosions. The fire engine's on its way, you can hear it. Here it comes.
You'll be gutted he's missing like that today.
Well, we've got it on video. Smell it?
No.
You can hear the fire engine. It's going under the truck. That's not what is it? Oh. It's going under the truck. You know, but it was a house.
So did I saw panic. I thought I was going to have to get the safe people.
Here they are, they're here.
Get them coming in, get them coming in.
Drama!
An ambulance coming.
Shit, he's in? He's not in there. No, that's police, that's police.
Going for traffic and that.
Oh, he's not in there, he's out in it, he's out, he's down there. I think they were actually doing work, because look, there's all, look. Can you see through the camera? You watch it, I'll go and blow it while I've got the camera off it. Yeah, there's another fire engine. Yeah, they're here. The troops are in. The troops are in, the troops are in. Yeah, it's actually calming down a bit, and it's burnt the back out. It's the front now. Where's the fuel? It's the front, isn't it? Fuel's at the front, isn't it, on a lorry? How the heck is that? isn't it? Maybe anyone's watching. Oh, they're watching up there, look. In the flat. I saw it, eh? Look at that. Took it right down, innit? Took it down. There's another one coming.
Get a policeman coming over.
Yeah. But there's the men that were in the truck over there in the yellow suits. Can you see them on the grass? I've only got 6 minutes play left.
What? Still start standing up there.
I've only got 6 minutes left. Do a new memory card now.
Oh, but you can put them on the computer dead quick. No, you can just get got them to stay.
Well, they've done a big good job, haven't they? Had cakes up to come down to them. They ain't got none. Cookies and cakes. Oh, there must be a fire hydrant thing now, because they're messing about. Just a little bit at the top there. That's still doing. Oh shit, they're getting another hose out, is it like that? Fucking hell. They need to get another hose out then. They're putting one down by our house. Or the police are up there. It's all happening. Fucking hell. Can you see? I'll just walk back there and you can get up there. Have it raining it there? You've got 5 minutes to play left on that. What do you get? Have it raining it? Do you get it?
1 minute. All in a day in Stretford roundabout. This is what goes on in Stretford roundabout probably maybe about 3 or 4 times a week. Always a bit of drama, police, firemen, fires, robberies, crashes, you name it. All in a day in Stretford.